The job description of a management consultant revolves around helping organizations improve their performance through the analysis of existing business challenges and the development of plans for improvement. Management consultants provide expert advice to companies, governments, and non-profit organizations, offering solutions for operational efficiency, strategy formulation, financial control, human resource optimization, or change management. Their main function is to diagnose organizational problems and recommend actionable, measurable solutions tailored to the client's objectives. A management consultant can be an independent professional or part of a consulting firm. They often work across a range of industries, including healthcare, finance, manufacturing, education, and technology. The role demands both a broad understanding of business principles and the capacity to adapt these principles to the specific needs of each client. Clients engage consultants to receive impartial advice, access specialized expertise, or support large-scale transformations that internal teams may not be equipped to manage alone. Engagements may be short-term or long-term, depending on the complexity and scope of the assignment. Regardless of the timeline, management consultants are expected to deliver high-value insights, practical recommendations, and support in the implementation of strategic initiatives. The job requires a strong mix of analytical ability, communication skills, and business acumen. Core responsibilities of a management consultant. Management consultants begin their work by understanding the client's needs. This typically involves conducting meetings with senior leadership to define the problem areas, expected outcomes, and project timeline. Consultants must gather background information through stakeholder interviews, company reports, financial documents, and process walkthroughs. They use this discovery phase to form a baseline understanding of the business's strengths, weaknesses, and areas of opportunity. Following the initial assessment, consultants move into data collection and analysis. They may examine financial trends, evaluate key performance indicators, assess organizational structure, review market position, or benchmark the company's performance against competitors. Using qualitative and quantitative methods, consultants identify inefficiencies, gaps in capability, or strategic misalignment that may be hindering growth or productivity. The next phase involves generating tailored solutions. This can range from recommending a new marketing strategy, developing a cost-cutting plan, restructuring departments, or integrating new technologies into the company's workflow. Consultants do not merely present theory, they are expected to provide practical steps that can be implemented within the client's unique constraints. Once the recommendations are finalized, consultants prepare detailed reports and presentations to communicate their findings to client stakeholders. These deliverables must be clear, persuasive, and backed by data. Often, consultants use visuals like graphs, process maps, and forecasting models to enhance understanding and buy-in from decision-makers. In many cases, consultants also assist in the implementation phase. They may help develop project timelines, assign responsibilities, train staff, or monitor early results. Their involvement ensures that the strategic initiatives are properly executed and that any resistance to change is managed effectively. This phase reinforces that the job description of a management consultant is not just about advising, but also about driving measurable outcomes. In larger firms or complex assignments, management consultants may work as part of a team, each member specializing in areas like finance, IT, marketing, or human resources. Regardless of specialization, consultants must maintain close communication with clients, provide regular progress updates, and adjust strategies as new information arises during the project lifecycle. Key skills and attributes for success. To be effective in their role, management consultants must possess a broad and deep skill set. Analytical thinking stands at the core. Consultants must be able to process large volumes of data, recognize patterns, and draw logical conclusions from incomplete or ambiguous information. A strong grasp of business metrics, economic principles, and industry-specific benchmarks enables consultants to make evidence-based recommendations. Communication skills are equally critical. Consultants must listen actively, speak confidently, and write clearly. Whether interacting with C-suite executives or frontline employees, consultants must explain complex issues in a way that is accessible and actionable. Strong interpersonal skills foster trust and collaboration, which are essential when navigating organizational change. Problem solving is at the heart of consulting work. Each project presents a unique set of variables, constraints, and goals. Successful consultants approach challenges creatively, test multiple hypotheses, and adjust their approach as needed. They must balance strategic vision with practical implementation, ensuring that solutions are both ambitious and achievable. Time management and organization are vital, especially when managing multiple client engagements or tight deadlines. Consultants must prioritize tasks, allocate resources efficiently, and produce deliverables on time. The ability to remain composed under pressure is a valuable trait in this fast-paced profession. Consultants also need technical proficiency. Familiarity with tools like Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and data visualization software is a must. For more advanced roles, knowledge of enterprise systems, like SAP or Salesforce, statistical tools, like R or Python, or project management platforms, like Asana or Trello, can be advantageous. Beyond hard skills, personal integrity and professionalism are non-negotiable. Management consultants are trusted with sensitive business information and must uphold strict confidentiality. They also need to maintain objectivity and avoid conflicts of interest in delivering unbiased recommendations. Work environment and challenges. Management consultants often operate in high-intensity environments. Depending on the project, they may work from the client's offices, their own firm's headquarters, or remotely. Travel is a significant aspect of the role, especially in global firms where client sites may span multiple countries or regions. This demands flexibility and a willingness to adapt to different organizational cultures and schedules. The job can be intellectually demanding and time-intensive. Consultants are expected to handle extended hours, shifting priorities, and high expectations from clients who are investing heavily in their advice. The pressure to deliver results within tight timelines is ever present. However, for those who thrive on problem-solving and dynamic work, these challenges are part of the appeal. Despite the demands, many consultants find their work deeply rewarding. They gain exposure to diverse industries, collaborate with senior executives, and see their recommendations influence major business decisions. The variety of assignments ensures that no 2 days are the same, keeping the work engaging and intellectually stimulating. Compensation for management consultants is often competitive, reflecting the high level of skill and commitment required. In addition to salary, consultants may receive performance bonuses, travel stipends, and opportunities for rapid career advancement, especially in leading global firms. It's important to recognize midway through this exploration that the job description of a management consultant is defined not just by the tasks performed, but by the value created for clients. Whether transforming underperforming departments or guiding market expansion, consultants become trusted partners in navigating change and complexity. Educational background and career path. Most management consultants hold a bachelor's degree in business, economics, engineering, finance, or a related field. Increasingly, employers favor candidates with advanced degrees such as an MBA, especially for roles involving strategy or leadership consulting. Academic credentials from top-tier institutions can provide a competitive edge in this field. In addition to education, many consultants come from backgrounds in industry-specific roles, finance, operations, or project management. This prior experience enhances their ability to relate to clients and apply practical insights. Entry-level consultants often start as analysts, supporting senior consultants with research and data preparation. With experience, they progress to roles like associate, engagement manager, and eventually partner or director. Those interested in entrepreneurship or executive leadership may eventually transition from consulting into corporate strategy roles within large organizations. Certifications such as PMP, Project Management Professional, Lean Six Sigma, or specialized training in change management can enhance a consultant's credentials. Continuous learning is a hallmark of this profession, as consultants must stay updated on market trends, regulatory changes, and emerging business models. Conclusion. The job description of a management consultant reveals a career that is both challenging and impactful. These professionals are called upon to solve critical business problems, guide strategic decision-making, and implement meaningful change. Their success depends on a blend of analytical rigor, interpersonal skill, and unwavering professionalism. For individuals with a passion for learning, a knack for solving complex issues, and a desire to work across diverse sectors, management consulting offers a dynamic and rewarding career path. Whether advising Fortune 500 companies or local enterprises, management consultants play a vital role in shaping the business landscape, one solution at a time.